Well, I'm not surprised that the chair came out a little tall for her, which is perfect for her to set in for the vanity, that's not the problem. But what it is that you could tell that her feet were several inches off the ground, and she really wants some kind of support there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add kind of like a bar rail across here. And we're gonna do that to about 4 inches. So what I'm gonna have to attempt to do, is I'm gonna find the center. I think I'm gonna do about 4.5 up here. But since this is already built, I'm gonna have to hope that I can drill in probably about at least 3/4 of an inch, this way, and 3/4 of an inch over here, just so that I can cut this about a little under, about 3/8 bigger on each side, and hopefully get this to slide in a little bit, enough to get this where I can take it and put it in. It's going to be iffy. I'm worried about it being a little loosey-goosey in there because we're having to do it a little different than I normally would when I'm building, putting these in while in the building process, because then during the building process I can cut it more to exact and maybe even a smidge longer, and then compress it on there a little bit. But this one, we can't do that. It's got to be considerably shorter just to get it in there. So we put these little foam pieces on here to kind of see if it'll tighten it up in there a little bit, but still make it where we can get it in.